Battle ropes alternating single arm waves with side to side step shuffle is a full body cardio combination exercise that quickly elevates your heart rate while targeting your shoulders and legs. To get started, place a just below knee height sturdy step at the end of the battle ropes. Hold the ends of the battle ropes with both hands shoulder width apart in front of your hips while standing to the side of the step. Step laterally to the side to place your inside leg on top of the step. With your core contracted, quickly press your foot through the step to laterally jump to the other side of the step with your knees bent in a quarter squat position. Land the opposite foot on the floor while landing the other foot on top of the step, landing softly. Your feet should not make a loud thumping noise when making contact with the step. As you shuffle side to side, explosively raise and lower one arm to create a wave with the battle ropes. As the one arm lowers, the other arm raises to create a wave with the other battle rope. Continue alternating arms with the battle rope as you move side to side over the step. Repeat for time or reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.